Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can hide your likes on thread. So by hiding your likes on thread, people will not know how many likes you got on your thread. So let me show you how you guys can do it. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel, How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. Now in order to hide likes on thread, what you need to do is first open your threads. And after you open your threads, you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen. So click on it and it's going to bring you to your threads profile. Now once you're in your threads profile, at the top right you can see the two lines. You want to click on the two lines. Once you do that, it's going to show you all this option. From all this option, you want to click on the third option, which is privacy. And once you're inside privacy, the last option which says hide likes, you want to click on that. Once you do that, your Instagram will open up and it's going to take you to this setting called hide likes. Now once you turn it on, that means your likes will be hidden. Now it's not only going to be hidden on your threads, it's also going to be hidden on your Instagram as well. So it's going to be doing it for both of them. You cannot just choose, threads. If you want to hide likes in thread, you also have to do it for Instagram as well. I don't know why this is, but this is the setting they have, so you have to follow the rules. Once you turn that on, basically your likes should be hidden on threads as well as on Instagram. So that's how you guys can hide likes on threads. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.